So, hi everyone! Welcome to our video. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is about working capital. So, ano nga ba ang working capital? So, para malaman natin kung anong working capital, panoorin natin ang video. At the coffee shop. A customer buying a coffee.
Ma'am, here's your cappuccino. Enjoy po.
Thanks. Ang fresh na coffee na ha.
Oh. Yes, ma'am. Freshly delivered this morning. Kasi The owner's thinking and recording for the inventory.
Let's see, I ordered 10 kilograms of coffee beans and 30 pastry for today. Looks like we're well stocked because me 7,000 for the beans and 3,000 for the pastry. That's 10,000 out of my working capital. But ready for the rush, we negotiated that I'll pay within 3 days. And even though I have a cash I received in the past operation, I'll just pay it with the same day of the payday of expenses. Right.
The staff reminding the owner for their salary.
Just a reminder po, it's payday tomorrow.
Of course, payroll's ready. Kayo pa makakalimutan ko. Your performance are great, so I've set aside 15,000 from the cash flow to cover everyone's wages.
Yun. Thank you po, ma'am.
Sudden rush of customers.
Come in.
Good afternoon, ma'am. We
Yes.
need more milk and beans po kasi marami po tayong customers.
Ooh, this is more than I expected. Mukhang need natin ng madaming milk and beans for this afternoon rush. Sige, tatawag ako sa supplier natin. Hello? Pwede mo ba akong magpa-deliver ng 5 more liters of milk and 5 kilos of coffee beans? I'll pay cash on delivery.
Opo, ma'am. Walang problema. That will be 4,000. I'll have it delivered within an hour po.
Okay, thank you. Buti na lang I have enough working capital. I can handle this extra cost without a problem.
Other large order of coffee and pastries.
Come in.
Hey, friend!
Hey!
We'd like to order 20 coffees, 15 pastries for our event tomorrow morning. Can we settle all the bill for the end of the month?
Of course, ikaw pa. We'll have it ready by 9 a.m. tomorrow. The total will be 8,000 and you can pay by the end of the month. Thank you.
Thank you.
Owner checking expenses and upcoming bills.
So, ang need ko na bayaran ay rent and utilities are due in 3 days that cost 12,000. But thanks to my solid working capital, I can pay it without affecting daily operations.
According to the video, working capital is the amount of money of a business has available to cover its day-to-day operation. It is calculated as the difference between a company's inventory plus account receivable minus account payable is equal to working capital. The coffee shop inventory have coffee beans, which is 10 kilogram and 700 per kilo, it's equal to 7,000, and pastries, which is 30 pieces and 100 pesos each, is equal to 3,000. The total inventory of the coffee shop is 10,000, while the account receivable of the coffee shop, a large company ordered 20 coffees plus 15 pastries is equal to 8,000 pesos and to be paid at the end of the month. The total account receivable is 8,000. And lastly, the account payable of the coffee shop is the initial inventory, which is the coffee beans and the pastries, equal to 10,000 and to be paid within 3 days. Then sudden urgent order of milk and coffee beans, which is 4,000 and paid on delivery. And the stop payroll is 15,000 will due tomorrow, and the utilities and rent are 12,000 due in 3 days. The total account payable of the coffee shop is 41,000 pesos. Additionally, as the coffee shop manager states that they had an cash reserve from the past operation, which will help them to cover the gap between 8,000 in account receivable and the 41,000 in account payable. Those money will use for their day-to-day operation for the coffee shop.